Hello guys, welcome back to Forex Success. So guys, I'm going to show you how you can trade crash and boom successfully. With this simple strategy, you are going to make money trading crash and boom. So if you want to start making money like I do on crash and boom, guys, so stick to this video and watch it carefully. So it's all about catching spike and making money for yourself. Okay, let's check on boom 1000 index that I'm currently trading. As you can see, I placed the trade to catch the spikes, so I caught the spike red-handed. At this point, you can see where I started entering the position and I entered the trade, and then I caught the spike. So guys, I caught spike at this point, as you can see on my screen. So I caught spike and the trade is still coming down, but I didn't take profit because I know it's still gonna spike again. So please watch this video carefully and make sure you hit that red subscribe button so you'll be notified each time we drop a new video. Okay, so guys, let's go right now. Okay, so in order for you to use this strategy, the strategy works for boom 1000 index, crash 500 index, boom 500 and crash 500. It works for all crash and boom indices. Okay, so let me show you how you can set your indicators for this strategy. You click on the indicator tab, then you search for the commodity channel index. Just as you can see on my screen, you take on the period 14, apply to typical price, the star, guys, the star, you use 2 pixel. The color, let's use the green that is already there. Then the levels 100 and negative 100, just as you see on my screen. So this is the indicator that we just set, which is the commodity channel index. Then the next indicator is a moving average. A moving average, that's what we need right now. So you put, okay guys, let's first set the market facilitation index. The market facilitation index should be at the the indicator window 1, yeah, not at on the main chart. So you set your market facilitation index, you search for it, market facilitation index. Great, it's the last indicator there. You select tick 4 pixel, period tick 4 pixel, MFI up green, then the MFI down, you use black, MFI up for volume down, you use green again, you can see, then you use green again. So that's it guys. No, you use green for this, you use green for the MFI down volume up, then for the MFI up volume down you use black, exactly as you can see on my screen guys. The levels you ignore, you click done. That is it. So this is how you set your indicators for this strategy. Okay, you can see it's not showing very well, so what we need to do now is increase the pixel. Let's take it to 3 pixel. Click save, you click done, so you can see it where now. So right now guys, I think let me just make it 4 pixel so it will be more clear. Okay, we're using 4 pixel. Done. So it's better this way. So guys, what we need to do right now is to take the indicator, yeah, set your indicator, the moving average at the indicator window 1, take on moving average period 10, yeah, period 10, shift 0. The method should be simple, then apply to close, as you can see on my screen. Then the style should be 4 pixel. Let's take it 4 pixel, click save and done. So guys, this is all the indicators you need for this strategy. This is all the indicators you need for the strategy. It is a very powerful strategy to catch spike on both crash and boom. Okay, So this is how you can use this strategy. You set your zoom level to the third zoom level. So what you need to watch out for, guys, it's to watch out for you have to watch out for the red moving average crossing below this green line, as you can see. So you need to watch out for this red moving average to cross below this green line, which is the line of the commodity channel index. So watch for the red moving average to cross below this green line at the oversold level, which is this -100. Below this -100, it gives you a spike. So before you get a spike, if you want to catch a spike, all you need to do is watch out for the red moving average to cross below, guys, crossing below. As you can see at this point, the red moving average crossing below this green commodity channel index line at the oversold level, you catch a spike. Very simple strategy, guys. It works. Look, as far it crossed below at the oversold level, it spikes. Many places it happened. Everywhere the condition was met, you always get a spike. So I'm not saying that it must cross in any way. I'm not saying that the red moving average must intersect with the commodity channel index every time we have a spike. No. For you to catch spike, you wait for that condition to be met. Wait for the red moving average to cross below the green line, and then you will get a spike. You will catch the spike. That is what I'm telling you right now about this powerful strategy. Let's check it out on others like crash 1000 index. Crash 1000 index, you can see for the crash 1000 index, you are doing the inverse of it. So at crash 1000 index, guys, you are looking at the red moving average to cross above this green line at the overbought level, not at the oversold level. Oversold level is for boom, overbought level is for crash, because you are looking at to sell for crash and you're looking at to buy for boom. So since it crosses above, guys, you expect a spike. You can see this point, it crosses above at this point, and then look, a spike. So when you get this black bar from the guys, from the market facilitation index, you are expecting another spike. It indicates that another possible spike might come. So when the red moving average cross above it, guys, you get a spike. Look, a spike. So which time the condition is met, guys, you get a spike. You make money for yourself with the strategy. Look again, it cross above, it gives you a spike. You can see that. So this is a very good strategy for crash and boom to make money, guys. You can make money with this strategy. Just follow the instructions and the rules of the strategy. Allow it to cross above at the overbought level. You place your sell, you make profit for yourself, guys. You can also do some confirmations, like going to the 5-minute time frame and observe the market before you enter. Okay, what I mean is that checking on support and resistance levels. You can use your 5-minute time frame and place your trades, most especially on support and resistance level. So usually on a normal market, like for currencies, support usually push the market back, or resistance level usually resist the market from breaking through that level. So in this case, guys, we get spikes as a way of pushing back the market. Let's say, for example, you can see this market, this is a resistance level right here. As you can see, this is a resistance level, a previous resistance level. The market came down. This point also pushed this support level, pushed the market backwards. The market again trying to break through this resistance level, but it was pushed back, guys. This is an opportunity to catch spikes. This is an opportunity to catch spike for you guys. So when you see the market coming above at this point, and then you can place a sell at this point because you are expecting a spike, confirming with the strategy that you use on your 1-minute time frame. So with this resistance level, you know that it is possible for this market to push down again to the downside, and you look again, it pushed to the downside, where this support level also pushed the market till it break through this resistance level. So that is it, guys. You can also use support and resistance level to support your strategy, to confirm your strategy and make more money with it, guys. So this is simple techniques that you need to understand and make money. So this strategy works for crash, boom, all the crash and boom indices. It is very powerful, guys. You can use it to make real money for yourself. So guys, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Yeah, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified each time we drop a new video. You can sign up to Deriv account and start trading Deriv with us. You have the synthetic indices. That's where you get the volatility 75 step index, crash and booms that I'm showing you the strategies right now. So you sign up there and open an account and start trading, guys. We have videos, the link to videos on the description of this video right now. You click on the description to select to watch a strategy like crash and boom strategy, the step index strategy, volatilities or volatility indices strategy. So you will learn and understand how to trade for yourself and make money. So thank you guys once again for watching this video. Make sure a good comment, guys, and to share it to your friends that also need how to trade. Once again, this is Forex.